ASDC KSA ASDC Youth Front atumpen APHLC amai phu IAS retire jai kathar me phi ke kai pon Lason si mati jong ni phai hini arni ada por phai ser ke bapor malom ASDC di futiri pia sai hema theng nualong ASDC KSA ASDC Youth Front lasong thomatum chelang si APHLC amai phu IAS retire jai kathar ami phi ke kai pona berta ni litum public TV Karbi Anglong sai hemalong berta nang pali Lason si kedam tang apora hot APHLC amai phu IAS retire jai kathara hinpen phirangke amai along kaning je pon manipuri penang kebe kuki khaya tuma fan relief camp thik piponang ji puwa puthak ASDC KSA ASDC Youth Front atum ahin pen IAS retire jai kathar phat lapuke chokchi pupen akomlen mate ami phi RHC meke thorpon Tangte Ferangke Thengno Kapachini Ponalam Thipenle Arjupon Xina News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong
Ning oi nai kaso alam kaning ji ulte jai kathar do ninia prang idipin mirjeng athuak pamalong alang kaning ji tribal areas along le nadak bangke karbianglong ke sepu karbianglong pe laso apora bangke ning je pik ning oi pik bangke jai kathar long si karbi kali pote ladak pen kathilo karbianglong pe dodi dano dimaso pe dodi dano Keceng sialama bangke ilitum Chinang 17 November 1951 asingkana bangsi United Dikir Hills pen United North Kachar Hills apan ituman Sorkar atum ituman Bharat Sorkar Assam Sorkar ituman district apilo 1970 ningkana bangke United Dikir Hills penke United North Kachar Hills apang la pupu itum Cikak lo Cikak mana district aprek tum cesak lo laso pen 14 October 1976 ke Ilitum ke Mikir Hills Polopen District Karbianglong District Council Punangman tang elo. Laso posi non ke ningkan plikep nang elo Karbianglong District Council 1996 June April 1 men ke tum ke Karbianglong Thomas Council pulo Karbianglong pusi nang chitok petok Karbia khai sangdel ilitum kaddo kawita. Lasi laga ke Karbianglong le kali pualang ki pu bangke ke chok chip pik lo lapen ke kahino nailo. Alang laso ablam kaning je bangki karbia khaya phan kilang ponji kali kaching hon ponji phan kali alang like politics claim i kadok kabe tribal area tribal khai tuma an pata lang ponote ladak bangke chokpo ne vote long ipo po non nang ke leji MEC election long pusalang chimatha laso alam posi litum kaning je lapen ke hini alam litum kadok kabe ta itum chini nang je karbiang long pe di mahaso la bangke ladake Tribals po bongta ladak bangke Sidul Tribe Hills of ladake Sidul Tribe Hills of naga ang bongta ladake hutna yok dunlong ji ladak longli nang long dunji ke lake rengma khai chot kukia tumta singa solong ke do kwan la kukia korte injira tum latum sen do chot po manipur pe non ke bang tum sidak nang long dunji ke long lilo lake hana tu ke tribal lo hoklo semela tu ke Sidul Tribe Hills kali STH kali lake hala tuma tribal la kaprek hala tumke Mizoram tuma tribal lo semela kali tuma longa tribal kali tuke STH kali laso posi mani lo tha phan to mane au phan tang ho kumane naga phan bansi ladak pado po Sidul Tribe Hills simar labji long lip PG puke lake SDC Youth Front KSA KNCA ke nitum ke komentuni tak koi kre lapen ke condemn bomji lapen jai kathar pan dak pan plung deki laso na decision to people ter lapen kado vedan chidonu nan tekpu si mathalo naga tum phansi lada rengma naga pen ka break phansi lada karbianglong long jong phalong kido bolang sulong kido rengma naga apupen ka break anaga phansi dak long leki PG Sidul Tribe Hills saja kong ladak ki PG ke hello big lo han bos dia long duduk kulini long lengria long tu o naga ma ke election je ke claim na inon ke ladak ke naga tum long bang mi thang long along li dolo nagaland dolo hat tum ke ala to mi thang long li dolo naga tum dolo mane kuki tum ho dak manipur long dolo dak ko an ma ke dolo ke choko hada ke do tumana dak padona handa ladak ke nanji pukeni tege kroy kelo kroy rek chelo ako kado be karbi la kroy ke laki muthe alang li phan thek serbon puki ma tha yo nesi alang li phan ke kroy chot apen gon ga ning dok bang ta velo alang li phan ke Lasi naga pong tame rengma naga ladak ini tum long kedo rengma tum kuan na kedo non rengma kulini long kuan na kedo hemika rengma tum ben cenglok resul rengma tum ben cenglok laso rengma choi kapre ka rengma kali kapre ka naga kali naga mong ta tribal mong ta kunane mizu tu masih banji mania ni manipuri tu masih banji ke ladak ke kroy kilo ladak si long le ki pek jip ke hilo pikram lo ke dak besi plumpo don khan bosti long election tang telang aning kan sita election claim lo je kathar tum kroy dun de langsung ke kroy dun de bangke alang ke tribal hian ta kaprek lang hala dang chini dek nai kupia constitution ke thek ni li je kathar ban thekmu pulik puli ta basic alam ke alang chini nei dak ke sidul trap hills pancho dak ke bolam bangke dak di masa dopo dak karbi dopo singa solong do ki tum dopo dak garolong hala hai do itum long long dona pililong bochalang so dung long do garo tum kha dopo la hai to rong khang long do hai garo jotpu garo ta kapre garo golilo la so phansi la dak banji puken ilitum ke kroi tek thelu la pen ke ko pachelo khan pon le thotlo la dak ke ilitum ke Karbi Anglong district autonomous council chot ilitum ajak kong ke lasi ho Germany adet song ching charli dun ta ho England son France song charli dun to Syria pen tuma keng pen dam po hadak si relief camp ke do dam rono joini ta ho e komane Iraq pen hadak dam po tha Afghanistan hadak dam po ho hadak si do dam ta ho pu son ke charli dun nang le ilitum kroi ilitum ningje pinang la bangke non ron ju je pinang sung do lo aduk do lo manipur lo do kuki pen chenglok kapre khai don ta hadak si relief ke pinang po hadak si camp padonang po hadak si kado ke chu yun ta do pen relief camp po hadak si pinang po hadak tuman dak ban pu gen ni kroi dun dek the community neta halan lo. This is, I repeat again, on behalf of the SDC Youth Front, SDC, KSA, and KNCA, that by no means met on the EDA Mirjeng playground at HDP in regards to stating that this is the land of not Karbi, but the land of tribal areas, all the tribal we cannot include here. My dear brothers from Manipuri, my dear Naga brothers, my dear Garo brothers, Kukis brothers who are living in Manipur, who are living in Meghalaya, who are living in Nagaland, we cannot bring you all here as Sidul Tribe Hills. We have categorized tribal and Sidul Tribe Hills tribal. There are two types. There are the tribals, but not Sidul Tribe Hills tribal. Therefore, Jekathar's statement stating that Karbi Anglong is not meant for Karbi, but for all the tribal. This cannot be accepted. In maybe 100 years or 1,000 years also, SDC, KSA, KNCA, SSU front is not being accepted. Kathar is not leading the people on the right track. He is leading the people on the way to war by trying to get votes in the ensuing MEC election, which is going to take place in 2007. If he invites those Lothar Nagas, those Ao Nagas, and asking them to settle there in Lahorian, Legerian areas, Khan Bosti and Dudukulini, that forget about giving land for them to them. They are to evict by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the rest of the people living in Karbi Anglong, Sidul Tribe Hills from those Nagas living there. We will continue to make friends with them. We will continue to make business with them. We will continue to go to Dimapur. They will continue to come to Karbi Anglong. But giving them land and Sidul Tribe Hills status to them, this cannot accept. That is the reason that SDC, KSA, KNCA has been consistently standing against the Boro Accord, Clause H, which we call. The Boro demand that the Boros living in Karbi Anglong have to be given as Sidul Tribe Hills tribe status. But we are not agreeing to that 2003 accord made by the Boro. We are still against that. Therefore, we are not against the Boro, our friends, but the status, the rights and privilege of the Sidul Tribe Hills, that cannot be given to them. This is what we want to say. We will continue to make friends. We will continue to play football together with the Baboros. We will continue to play cricket together with the Nagas, but not land here for them. No land here for them, not an inch of land for them. And we are not going to seek any land to Naga. 5,000 of the youths of Karbi will go to Nagaland and give 500 bighas of land. We are not going to say that to the Nagas there in Nagaland. 1,000 of youths, Karbi youths will go to Boro and give Boro land BTAD and give us 1,000 bighas of land. We are not going to say that. Let them live them peacefully, the Nagas brothers. Let the Boro brothers live peacefully there in Boro land. We are not going to disturb them. We have no rights to get anything from them, and they don't have the rights to get anything here. And Jaya Kathar, they must aware of the fact that Jaya Kathar is a man of trying to lead people in a different and a wrong way. If those Naga brothers continue to believe him as a leader, as a visionary leader, they will lost somewhere in the road on the way. Therefore, we request that please stop joining Jay Kathar's party HPCLC. And if Jay Kathar's statement of saying that this is tribal land, not Karbi land, is totally the biggest and the biggest error that he made in 2024. He is a man of making false statement consistently since making his party. Secondly, we want to say that the last 3, 4, 5 days, people have been pointing each other, and this is very correct, all because of Jai Kathar. The problems facing there in Manipur, we are sorry for that. The Manipur government and the government of Assam, the government of India, central government must give relief materials, medical aids and everything to the victims there. That is a very legitimate right for them. But those cookies bringing here and trying to harbor them as relief came here, we are not going to accept that. We are not going to accept that. We support the pain. We want to give comfort to them right from here. We will raise our voice, and right now in the heart of the town, we the SDC, Youth Front, KSA, KNCA and SDC are saying that give materials, give all the help to Manipur, to the people there, Manipur's brother, Meite's brothers, Cookies brothers there. But please don't come here. There's no place for the cookies outside here in Karbi. This is what we want to say. So Jay Kathar saying this continuously is trying to invoke war. It's not going to be accepted by any people in Karbi. Please be aware, Jay Kathar. This is what we want to say. Thank you.
Jay Kathar.